Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 9 for hotel management system in Django with Next.js. In this video, we are going to create the template for user profile update, and we have created a simple wireframe for this. Right, so this is our profile update form. One more thing that I will include, which is a profile, which is a user thumbnail, image thumbnail. Right, so this form we are going to create in this video. Okay, so let's start to do that. Okay, so this is our user dashboard. When we click on it, it should show the form, right? So let's first of all modify this sidebar, and then we will create the page, right? So let's modify the sidebar. So what we are going to do, let's close this, open this, and we will go to dashboard, and here we have a page. In this we have a sidebar, so let's go to dashboard sidebar, and here we have, if path name is user update profile. Okay, so let's see what we have here. User update profile. Okay, so we have booking, dashboard and all. So let's create user update profile. So what I will do, I have a forgot password, so I will copy this one. Okay, so copy this, and let's copy all of this and paste it here, right? Sorry. All right, so we have pasted it, and let's save it in the user, and I will say profile update, and then in this we have a page.js, right? All right, so now let's go here. So what things we need to do, we'll see, but first of all let's remove all of this and just show profile update. Okay, let's remove this dashboard, sorry, dashboard sidebar. So path name is this, if this, then else we have to define your profile update. So profile update, right? So now let's go here. Okay, and you can see profile update. This is not showing because oh, so this should be, let's remove one user. Where is that? User profile update. This should work. Not sure why this is not working. Okay, sure. So it should be proper path. All right, so when we click on this, it is showing profile update. Now let's create the form. All right, so let's create the form. So what I will do, I have copied the profile update. This is the copied from dashboard. Actually we copied wrong, we copied from the forgot password, but forgot password is look like this, but we need to, where is the forgot password? User forgot password, it look like this, but we need this kind of thing. Okay, so I copied the I copied the dashboard, right? So in the dashboard we have a sidebar and right side showing nothing. So what I will do, this one. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll create a card, right? And in the card I will create h3, and I will say update profile, right? And I'll say here card header, right? This is so big, so I will say h4, right? So this is too much, h5, right? Okay, let's remove this. Okay, now what we need to do, div class card body, right? And let's go to Django, oh sorry, get bootstrap home page. Let's go to form, let's go to overview. We need a form control layout. So what we need to do, we need a grid layout, right? So this one. Okay, so let's copy this, paste here. All right, actually we should have the same thing that what we have in the sign up. Okay, so what I will do, I'll copy the sign up thing. I will copy all of this, all of the row, full row I mean. So paste here, and let's see. Link is not defined. Why the link is not defined? Let's quickly copy the link and paste here. Bar chart we don't need, right? Okay, so this is saying first name, last name, username, password, mobile, email. We don't need this one, right? Actually, let's remove the password because we no need for the password here to change, right? What we need to do, what we will say, if you forget password, then if you want to change your password, then click here, right? So what I will do, if you want to change your password, then click here, right? We'll create a change password form. So first name, last name, instead of the first name, last name is here, what I will do, I'll create a one more field here, right? Div, and in this I will put a thumbnail, right? So let's check this. Let's go to forget password, so we can copy the image path, copy this one, copy this one, right? Copy, paste here. Sorry, so this is too big, so what I will do, I will give a width 100. No, let's say 200. This is fine, I think, but this is taking so much space, so what I will do, 4, let's say 8, 4 8. What about 3 9? 3 9, yeah, this is fine. Let's say 3 and then 3 then 4. This is going to 4 3 7. Okay, let's say 5. Okay, so first name, last name, and then we have username, mobile. This is 3 4 7, and if I say 2 and 5 5, what about it? Yeah, this is fine, I think. Okay, and then we have a 6. Okay, so we can do one thing. In a row we can define this single one. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, we will change when we need, we will change that. Let's think about it. Okay, so I created this kind of layout. I don't know this is mess or not, but I created this kind of layout. We can change later if we need. We can create a more, specific if we need, right? Let's do one more thing. Let's create a change password form so user can change the password, right? So when we click on this, it should show the change password form. So let's create. So I'll copy all of this and new and paste and save, and we have a user and we have a profile. Let's create change password, and we'll have page.js, right? And let's remove this one, and we need two fields, right? So one is new password, and this is password, and the same one is confirm password, right? Confirm password, this is also password field, this is okay, and this one is placeholder is this. Copy this one, paste here. Okay, and let's remove all of this. So if I go to user change password, then it should show this one. Okay, so it should be change password, so it will be change password, correct? So we are done with all of the links which is defined in our videos file. Where is that? Here. So this is also done. Okay, this is also done. All right. So in the next video, what we will do, we will create a gallery page which we have defined here in the link. When we click on the gallery, it will show all of the images which admin will upload from the backend. And when we click on the image, then we will show as a zoom, or we can show as a slider, right? And then we will also create a about and contact us page. We need to create a book event form, right? And after that we will create booking history for the event like we did for the bookings. So we will show the event history, event form, and we will also complete the footer. Then we are done with the front end, I think. And if we miss something, then we will create. Okay, so I will try to create all of these things in 2 or 3 videos so we can start the backend API, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video and you are enjoying this series. If you have anything, then please add in the comment section, and then please share, subscribe, like this video, like this channel, and please like the video. And if you are enjoying the series, then please write enjoy in the comment section, and or you can say enjoying series, and then it will be good. So thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.